Go.
Okay, can you come up here?
Yeah.
Can you make it up?
Corey,
Holy
get over,
shit, like nothing.
get over here.
Wow. Remember your splash? You couldn't do that.
Now watch this.
Can you go up? Can you make it up, Kyle?
Yes, Dad.
You cannot.
Sure.
You're not that good. Holy smokes. You're good. But you gotta do it slow, Kyle.